Yesterday, where we have stopped, you remember that one?
Yeah, objectives.
We have stopped what? Yesterday. Objectives. I think objectives. Is it?
Yeah.
So I am going to share. See, this is. The Smera is also joined, and also you can see I am going to write this is Smera. Okay. Objectives. So many people are waiting, that is why. 6 participants are there. So I mean all are present, I think. Huh? Oh, it is a fantastic thing. All are present now. Now yesterday we have stopped here. You remember that we have stopped here. We have stopped objectives. And we are talking about what you know, research. You know what is the research? Yesterday we have explained. The objectives. What are the objectives for every activity? We should have some objective, and we have a little bit of information about research. What is research yesterday? And it is nothing but finding out or digging out or inquiry into new ideas, new information. Sometimes you may have already in mind or already in papers, already in records, some information about some problem. So we'll have to develop more on that particular problem. This is also research. And some other research is new. You are going to find out new things, new information. In other than social sciences, for example, in physical sciences or in natural sciences, we are going to find out new things. For example, so many researches are going on throughout the world to find out a medicine for corona or COVID. So it is not a social science. We are using. So just like in our case, ours is a social science. Since a management study or commerce or business study is a what you know is a social science. We also have to find out certain things. How many are there now? You see, Zaina, many are. Everybody is there. Everybody. Okay. Thank you. Thank God. I have a call and can see that one. Sajit, I am on an online class. You may call after some time. Okay, after 9 p.m. I will call you. So, our objective is to investigate. You know the meaning of investigation. First of all, I told you that I will give you the presentation. You may write it down, and you will have to present. What you know? You will have to present what? The what? Notes to be as an assignment. After reading through that one, I will find out your grades and etc. And everything is over. I will give you the notes. Understand? And we may have examinations also, internal examinations or unit examination. That may be online sometimes or may be possible. We may have offline also in the college. You can cover that means by the next week, 8 onwards, I think there may be everything is going to open. Anyhow, our point is we have not much time. Objective of what you know this research. The first one is you ask something. The first one is to investigate some existing situation or problem. I told you before, we are not finding out new. There may be existing situation. I told you, for example, in our research of social sciences, especially for our commerce people or management people, there is an existing problem. What is this? One example, the value or intrinsic value of Indian currency is deteriorating every day. Intrinsic value of Indian currency is diminishing every day. This is an existing problem. Understand? And another problem, lakhs and millions of our people are coming from foreign countries, especially from Gulf countries, as pravasis. and how we can reinstate them here. It is one of the important problems now, because especially for not for India, especially for Kerala, the most important revenue, one of the most important revenue is from foreign money. You remember that, from Pravasis. Now it is going to stop.
Yes.
Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Am I correct? So we want to. There is some sound is coming from somewhere. You may please tell your mother or some other parents. It may be I from Jaisal. Jaisal?
No.
From where? Tell them. Okay. Anyhow, the problem is this one. That is, we will learn to. Hey, sound is coming from where? Rudy, from your house?
No, sir.
From where? Nidin.
No, no.
Okay. Mera, are you ready?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
means from where this is coming? The sound is coming.
No idea.
Don't know. Okay, anyhow, come to the point. The next one is, so we have an existing problem. You can make a study on the existing problem to provide a solution to a problem.
Listen to a
Why we are
problem.
making research? Why we are making research?
Solution.
And a name is here.
A solution to
And who is this iPhone? Name is not given. Who is that? iPhone.
Semi.
Shamim.
Shamim, eh? Shamim.
Shamim.
I want to.
Wow.
See, you must change your name, not iPhone. Okay.
Okay.
Shamim. Otherwise, I cannot give you attendance. I don't know who is in. Shamim. Okay. Then come to the point. To
Okay.
provide a solution to a problem. That is one of the important objectives. You know, it is very simple to understand. Objective, first one, to investigate about a new situation. To investigate about a new situation. To find out a solution for a problem. Then, to explore. Meaning of explore. What is the meaning of explore? Dig out. To dig out. Or to find out. And analyze more general issues. You have already a problem. Please start. From where some sound is coming, please let them put off. You from where? Some boys, small kids are making sound. Who is that? This is from Semi. From your house? No. I think you are keeping outside. You are sitting outside your room. Is it? Semi. You can't hear me? Shruti, from your house? No.
No, sir.
Then Nidin? No.
No, sir.
Vera, in your house?
No.
Number. Maybe something is put in. Some sound is coming. Shamim?
Semi mute ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Huh?
Semi sound mute ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
Shamim, the
Hello.
sound is Shamim. The sound is from your house? No.
No.
I think where are the two others? I cannot see them. Is coming. Anyhow, come to the problem. I told you before starting the class that you should keep silent and also you should provide some good facility or facilitating group. Okay, leave it. Hey, sound is coming. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല സൗണ്ട്?
സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആശ ആരതാന്ന് അറിയുന്നില്ല.
Can see. Let me see.
Yes, Semi. India. Seems like Semi.
Semi is left.
Who is left?
Semi.
Shamim left.
There is no sound
from
now.
his house.
There is no sound. Okay, he left. That's from Shamim's house. So they investigated. The next one is, so you understand, you see the problem, you see the notes. You may write it down. Don't copy it for my notes whenever you are submitting. Next, to explore and analyze more general issues. To construct or create a new procedure or a system. Say, new system. For example, you know, this is a new system. Is it not? Online. You ever had the experience before? In your classes? No. Is it? In your high school class or in our college class, you never have a,
No,
is not. So this is an issue. So we want to create a new procedure. This is a procedure. For this purpose, we made certain research. We ourselves made a research. What research we made? We tried to find out which software is good, either WebEx or Google Solutions or some other things or Zoom, etc. This is a method of researching. So we find out. Then again coming, I don't know, iPhone is coming again. That maybe we will get again. Okay, the next one, you see, to explain a new phenomenon. So this is new research. For these three, we have investigated some existing problem. We are investigating some existing problem that to provide solution to a problem, to explore and analyze more general issues, to construct or create a new procedure, and to explain new phenomena. These are the objectives. Then next to generate new knowledge. That is the very aim of every research. Generate new knowledge. Now generate, create, make new knowledge. Okay. So, Shruti, can you read this loudly? What are the objectives? Read.
Objective.
Ah.
Okay, sir. To investigate some existing situation or problem.
Okay.
To provide. Okay, sir.
Ah.
To investigate some existing situation or problem. To provide solution to a problem. To explore and analyze more general issues. To construct or create a new procedure or system. To explain a new phenomenon. To generate new knowledge.
So you got it? Are you okay now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The next one, a combination of two or more of any of them.
Yes.
So it may be for to investigate some existing problem, or it may have to generate new knowledge. So a combination, not only one by one. You may have a combination of all these, or one or two, or one or two, three, four. For example, the objective may be to investigate some existing problem along with to find out new knowledge. So combination. So these are the objectives, and we may have another definition of a very renowned person. He is called, when it was in 1997, quality research is the lifeblood. You know the meaning of lifeblood of any scientific discipline. Without it, disciplines would stagnate. What is the meaning of stagnation? No motion, no movement. That is called stagnate. Stand still. Understand? Stand still. That is stagnation. Failing to advance. Even no research, any discipline will stagnate and it will stand there where it was. That discipline will stand, or that that problem will stand without any movement, failing to advance past their current limits and understanding. So if there is no research, what will happen? In any field, it is a stagnating field. It is a stagnating field. That is why this man. And there are different types of researchers. We may come to type of approaches. So I am explaining you on the basis of your syllabus. And the syllabus, it is there, type of approaches. The first, what is the first one? Nidin, read this one. You are not listening here. You're listening somewhere, I think. You're writing? That's it.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, I am
Okay.
right.
Okay. You read this. What is exploratory research? Read.
Exploratory research takes place where there is little or no prior knowledge of a phenomenon. This type of research attempts to gain some familiarity with the appropriate concepts and for patterns or ideas without any preconceived ideas or explanation.
Okay. Okay. This one. So this is a type of research. Exploratory research. Exploratory. This is a research. It takes place. There is a little or no prior knowledge of a phenomenon. You understand? It is a fresh research. You don't have, or the researcher, or you may otherwise call as the investigator. The researcher, or you may be investigator. One who investigate is called. You say, now you are going to your kitchen. Is it?
No.
And coming back again and coming back again. Is it? Am I correct?
ഇത് കണക്ടിന് ചെറിയ പ്രശ്നമുണ്ട് സർ കണക്ട് ചെയ്യണേ ചെറിയ
Speak in English. You say, nah, somebody is seeing this all over the world. Remember, you are a PG student. Okay. Anyhow, see, this is a exploratory research is then what you understand. Simply, it is a new one. On what subject or what problem you are going to investigate, you have no prior idea. You have no prior knowledge. And you are digging into this matter to find out new information.
അത് വൃക്ഷനാണ് ഞാനാ വിളിച്ചിനെ അത് നിങ്ങൾ വന്നിട്ട് വിളിക്കാറുണ്ട്.
Who is that? So don't make any other private chats. Who is that?
ഹെഡ് മാഷാണ്.
Arayalum, you put off your phones for calling, your voice call. Okay. This is a class, all over the world it is seeing, and not only that, I want to present this on the class in the meeting that will be held on the 9th. Next 9th, we are going to present this one on the big screen. Understand?
Yes.
That means you are not attentive in a class. You are not attentive in my class. Just like this is a class. You remember that one? This is a class. Okay, coming to other point. We have not much time to explain. So what is exploratory research? What is it? You have no prior idea. You means the investigator or the researcher has no prior idea, prior knowledge or prior information about a particular phenomenon, and you are going to make a research. That means to find out anything. That research is called exploratory research. Understand? You understand what is exploratory research?
Yes, sir.
What is it? Tell me.
It's a
Susaina,
fresh
what is it?
research.
Tell me, what is the exploratory research? Tell me, what is exploratory? I told
New
you.
research.
Nidin, what is?
Without any knowledge or a little knowledge, finding some new ideas or
That means the investigator or the researcher has no knowledge or no prior knowledge before, no prior knowledge and prior idea about the phenomena that you are going to study. That type of research that you are making or going to make a fresh study, that is called exploratory. This type of research attempt to gain same familiarity with appropriate concepts and looks for the patterns of ideas without any preconceived idea and explanation. So we don't have any preconceived idea or explanation that you are going to study a particular thing. For example, you are going to study about what will be the feature of Pravasis you return. For example, this is a social study, social science. So you don't have nothing in your mind. You are going to find out what will be the problem. Keeping something in your mind, that is preconceived idea, that is keeping something in your mind and going to study. No, that is not one. That is exploratory research. And the next you see descriptive research. Next type. What is it? What is it? You say now read that one.
describes a particular phenomenon focusing upon the issues of what is happening or how much of it has happened rather than why it is happening.
So that is very important. It is what? How much of it happens? Understand? Describes a particular phenomenon, focusing upon the issue of what is happening. It focuses on what is happening or how much of it has happened. Understand the meaning? What is happening and how, but it is not at all concerned with why it is happened. Understand? Why it is happened. We are concerned with what is happening. Understand? If we say Malayalam, I am very sorry in Malayalam. Malayalam. What is എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്? Understand? എത്രത്തോളം സംഭവിച്ചു? But rather we are not concerned with why. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് അത് സംഭവിച്ചു? That is not our problem. That is not our criteria. You understand now?
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes.
Focusing upon the what is happening. What is happening? Continuous tense. How much it happened. How much it happened. But not concerned with why it is happened. Why it is happened. Jaisal, can you cite an example? An example പറയാമോ? മലയാളം ആയിക്കോട്ടെ. We speak in Malayalam for the time being. This is the second class. Okay. If you understand this, you can say. See, focusing upon what is happening. എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്? How much? എത്രത്തോളം സംഭവിച്ചു? We are not at all concerned with why it is happened. Tell me an example. Anybody else in the class? Think it. Anybody else in the class? Can you cite an example? A research. See, after finishing your MCom, you may go for PhD. No problem. You can go for PhD. Somebody is laughing. Okay. Nitin is laughing. You can go for PhD when I say it. Okay, tell me. An example. So I have given what is a descriptive result, focusing upon what is happening and how much it is happened. We are not at all concerned with why it is. എന്തുകൊണ്ട് സംഭവിച്ചു എന്ന് we are not at all concerned.
They're not getting any idea.
No answer. My God. So for the next class, you will come with the answer. Next class is on Tuesday. We have class on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. So I am giving on an assignment regarding descriptive science. Everybody must bring an example. And you must understand, you know what is it is, descriptive research. Focusing upon what is happening. For a proper understanding, I told in Malayalam also, what is happening. എന്താണ് സംഭവിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്? How much, എത്രത്തോളം അത് സംഭവിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞു? But എന്തുകൊണ്ട് സംഭവിച്ചു? Okay. So for all the
Corona
six.
situation.
Corona situation, okay, we may take Corona situation. Okay, what is happening? We are searching for. Okay, how much? How much? We are also searching. Then why it is happened? Is there?
Yeah.
No, why it is not? Why it happened is not concerned.
Why it is happened? Tell me. So it is a correct answer. It is a correct answer. See, take the primary stage. We don't know why it is happened. Is it?
Yeah.
ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ പറയും വ്യാപനം കൊണ്ട് തുടർന്നുകൊണ്ട് from the this one and this also not proved. Is it proved?
No, sir.
Is it proved? Corona is coming because of this one. We are taking precautions. We are using mask and we are using distances, etc. And it is for the precaution. We don't know it is happened because of that one. Is it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Why it is happened, we don't know. Until now, we don't know why it is happened. It is a virus. Then how the virus came? How the virus came? We don't know. So it is a correct answer. That is a descriptive research. Then explanatory. Exploratory we have seen before. Now it is explanatory. See the spelling. Here the spelling. Okay. This type of research is involved in explaining why something happens. Understand? Negative of the last one. Descriptive terms. Why it is happening or why it is happened. Why something happened. And assessing causal relationship between variables. Why it is happened. So there is a reason for that one. We can find out that reason is the variable. You know variable. You know variable. You have studied in quantitative mechanism what is variable and everything. So there are different variables. There are different variables. Why this is happened. So that this type of research is involved in explaining why something happened and assessing causal relationship. So time is getting running out, and if it finishes, you can stop this one. Okay, and the next class is on next Tuesday 8:30. Okay, whenever this process we can pause it. So you see, explain the research. Here you should bring some examples, not only one example, more than 2 or 3. 3 examples you must come. You know what is explanatory? Explain why something happened. For example, tuberculosis, for example. Kshayaroga, why this happened. And what is the reason? That is the variable. This is only an example I told you. Why it is happened. Then Nipah virus, we have seen. So these are health things. You want to bring the example from our commerce and management studies. For example, nowadays, the value of the price of gold is increasing. Is it not? Every day. So what is the rate of gold per pavan? Smera for you girls. Smera, how much? Maybe it is more than 35,000. 35,000 around. Is it not?
34,600.
34,000. Why? There is some reason. Why? Something happened. We are explaining why. Involved in SP, why something happens. The relationship is what? One variable is this corona. The second variable is because again it is because of corona, the closing down of almost all business activities. So people are changing their investment pattern. The investment pattern അതുവരെ ഇൻവെസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിരുന്ന ഷെയർ ബ്രോക്കേഴ്സ് റിയൽ എസ്റ്റേറ്റിനെ ഒഴിവാക്കി they think that it is better to invest in gold. You understand? സ്വർണം വാങ്ങി വെക്കുന്നതല്ലേ മറ്റേതൊക്കെ ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ കേസിൽ നല്ലത്. Understand? ആൾക്കാർ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട് മലയാളം കേട്ടോ. ആൾക്കാർ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട് മലയാളം. So they change the pattern, investment pattern. They changed. അതുകൊണ്ട് എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? What happened? Gold price increased. You understand?
Yeah.
The type of research we are making an exploratory research, we know already what happened. The price of in the 60 rupees. We know that it is increasing. And what's the relationship? Relationship of everything that is closing down, lockdown. The activities are gone. There is no money within in the pockets of the people to purchase things and other things and amenities. So it is better to invest in gold rather than in other investment. So the pattern has changed. That is why the increase in the gold price. In the same way, you must bring at least 3 next class. The example for explanatory research. Okay? Understand?
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
explanatory
Okay,
or
sir.
exploratory?
Exploratory and explanatory both. Both you must come. Okay? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what about